Hi everyone, Navigel Tech here, and today I would like to show you how you can pair Bluetooth Hi everyone, Navigel Tech here. So a few days ago I made a video showing you that Nintendo has just released firmware version 13 for the Nintendo Switch, and one of the main new functionalities added to the Nintendo Switch is of course Bluetooth audio support. However, if you'd like to run a custom firmware like I do, and you're running Atmosphere, then you're out of luck as of today, since Atmosphere currently doesn't support firmware version 13.0. But what if you still want to add Bluetooth audio support to your Nintendo Switch? Well, there's actually a homebrew application that allows us to pair our Nintendo Switch to Bluetooth earbuds or Bluetooth headphones and to actually play the sound over those earphones. So in this video I'd like to show you how you can actually install this homebrew application and how you can use your Bluetooth audio devices on your Nintendo Switch. So it's going to be, I think, an interesting video if you're into Bluetooth audio. But first things first, of course, you need to be running, as I said, the Atmosphere custom firmware. So if you're not running Atmosphere as of now, I will leave a link in the video description which leads you to my full in-depth guide on how you can install the Atmosphere custom firmware on your Nintendo Switch. So just to show you, if I go to System Settings and scroll down to System, you can see that my current system version is 12.1 and I'm running Atmosphere 1.0, which is the latest release of Atmosphere as of the time of recording this video. So if you're not running Atmosphere, please refer to the video in the video description. But then, once you're up and running with Atmosphere, simply power off your Nintendo Switch and eject the MicroSD card, since we need to copy over a new homebrew application to the Switch. So if you don't have a MicroSD card or a MicroSD card adapter or a USB cable, whatever, I do have some handy links in the video description in case you're interested. So we're just gonna plug the MicroSD card into our PC using a MicroSD card adapter. So over on your PC, you want to go ahead and go to this GitHub page. So of course I will also drop this link in the video description, and this will bring you to the NX-BTred homebrew application for Nintendo Switch. So you will need to download this zip file and place it on your desktop, and then you want to also download MissionControl. So I've just made a video showing you how you can pair a PlayStation or Xbox controller wirelessly to your Nintendo Switch using MissionControl. So if you're interested in how you can do that, then I will also leave that link in the video description. But for Bluetooth audio support to be added to our headphones for Nintendo Switch, we will also need it. So just go ahead, go to MissionControl and download the latest zip file here as well. And once you got both the NX Bluetooth RED and the MissionControl applications, or both zip files, just place them on your desktop like I have right here. Then you want to open up Windows File Explorer and browse to your microSD card. So it should look something like this. Then you want to open up the NX-BTred zip file and drag and drop the Atmosphere and Switch folders to the root of your microSD card. Then exit out of it, and you want to do the same for MissionControl. So just open it up. Here we have the Atmosphere and config folders. Just drag and drop those to the root of your microSD card as well. Then you can close out these menus and eject the microSD card from your PC and plug the microSD card back into your Nintendo Switch. So now you can use either Tech or RCM on your PC or a Payload Injector like I have right here to boot to the Atmosphere custom firmware. If you're interested in picking up a Payload Injector, then check out the links in the video description as well. It also comes with its RCM Jig that I can just slide down. I can press the volume up button and the power button at the same time. Then I can power on the Payload Injector itself, plug it into the Nintendo Switch, and this will boot my Switch into the Atmosphere custom firmware. So I can remove the RCM Jig and get the Joy-Con back on. And now it should bring us back to the Atmosphere custom firmware, and we're actually good to go to pair our Bluetooth headphones to the Nintendo Switch. Should be pretty straightforward. So once you're back at the lock screen, you can just unlock the Nintendo Switch, go to the homebrew menu, and here you can see we do have a new application called Bluetooth pairing. So just open it up. It says A begin pair, B unpair, and X to refresh. So let's see if we can do this with my Bose headphones. So let's just get them in pairing mode. So I need to power them on. Now it's in pairing mode. So now I think we should try to refresh this page. It's scanning, and here you can see it finds my Bose Quiet Comfort headphones. I can just press A, it will pair to my headphones right now. Just give it a second, and now it says connected, so you can also see that the blue light stopped blinking on the headphones themselves. So now we're actually good to go to play our games. So good to know. A good thing to know is that we shouldn't have audio playing from your headphones if we are just browsing around right here. But if you're playing a game, then you should have Bluetooth audio support. But since Nintendo doesn't like me to show any of the gameplays, because it will copyright strike me, I'm not going to do that. But it should be pretty straightforward. Just play your favorite game, and audio should now be playing from your headphones. So that's basically the tutorial for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos, guys. Peace out.